I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bike to a Wahoo KICKR CORE. First, let's get the KICKR CORE ready. Begin by assembling the legs using the included hardware and 4 bolts. Next, install a compatible cassette onto the FreeHub body, ensuring it's tightened to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 40 Newton meters. Finally, plug the KICKR CORE into a standard wall outlet, and you'll see the indicator lights illuminate, confirming it has power and is ready for the next step. Now, let's prepare your bike for mounting. The first crucial step is to remove your bike's rear wheel. This is usually done by opening the quick-release lever or unscrewing the thru-axle. Once the wheel is off, identify your bike's axle type. The KICKR CORE supports both quick-release and various thru-axle standards, including 130 and 135 mm quick-release, and 142 by 12 mm or 148 by 12 mm thru-axles. Select the correct adapter for your specific bike. With your bike prepared, it's time to mount it onto the KICKR CORE. Carefully align your bike's chain with the smallest cog on the KICKR CORE cassette. Gently lower the bike, ensuring the dropouts sit correctly on the trainer's axle. Once aligned, secure the bike firmly using either your quick-release skewer or the appropriate thru-axle. Make sure it's tightened securely, but not over-tightened, to prevent any movement during your ride. Give it a gentle shake to confirm stability. Finally, let's connect your KICKR CORE to your preferred training application. Download the Wahoo Fitness app or another compatible platform like Zwift or Trainer Road. Ensure Bluetooth or ANT Plus is enabled on your device. Within the app, search for and pair your KICKR CORE as a smart trainer. After pairing, it's highly recommended to perform a spin-down calibration. This process, which takes about 30 seconds, ensures the most accurate power readings and a consistent training experience. You're now ready to ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.